What is going on, bitches? I am back again with another one, and today I have the Jordan 1 Low OG Black Cements. Now these come in this elephant print box, and it is basically the same box as the high versions, except of course the Nike logo is white instead of black. And you also get elephant print on the tissue paper. Now each shoe is wrapped individually in tissue paper, which is very nice. And here they are, guys. Here are the sneakers themselves. Now these come with an extra pair of laces, and these are the gray laces. Now starting off from the back of the sneaker, you have the Air Jordan logo embroidered, which is nice, but in my opinion, a debossed Jordan logo would have been nice instead of, embroidered, because the embroidery doesn't always come out nice. Sometimes you can't even tell what it is. It just looks a bit messy, but yeah. Now the leather quality and all the quality on the sneaker, the nubuck, the leather, the elephant print, the leather on the elephant print, everything just feels nice. Okay, and nothing feels cheap. The entire sneaker in terms of colorway, I think it's just brilliant. Obviously we had the high tops as well, but yeah, the sail on the midsole is just fantastic. Again, the nubuck feels very nice. I have a bit of this stain on my nubuck on the toe box, but that's okay, I guess. Yeah, I think it's just a brilliant sneaker overall. It's not one that's been hyped enough or hyped at all. It is still sitting on the sneakers app for some reason, with many sizes available. So I'm not too sure this sneaker is doing as well as it should. But I think people will come around, I'm certain of it. Okay, and it's just one of those sneakers that needs time, in my opinion. It will take time for everyone to realize how nice these are, because seeing them on the website, seeing them on other people's videos is one thing, and holding them in your hand is a whole nother thing. Now I'm going to throw on some white laces. I think they're white. I mean, I could have sworn these were sail. Okay, I put them in the washing machine and they came out whiter than they should have been. I believe sail laces would look a lot better to match with the midsoles, but that's just my opinion. Now I'm not going to throw on the grey laces because I think that's just doing a bit too much. It will be too much grey in my opinion. But yeah, I am between the black ones and the white ones. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one you prefer, or if there's any other colors that you want to see. I mean, I personally think you could wear these with any sort of colored laces, whether it be red, pink. Now in terms of sizing, sizing is a bit of an issue with this one. It is a bit of an issue with all the Jordan 1 lows, especially the Jordan 1 low OG cuts. But if you go half a size down, you can loose tie them, you can wear them comfortably. If you have white feet, obviously go true to size. Do not go half a size up. You will end up returning them, I guarantee you. But yeah, half a size down or true to size if you have white feet. Now me telling you to go half a size down is a bit ironic, considering I just made the mistake of ordering these sneakers in my true to size. Okay, I didn't go half a size down, and these feel big. I'm not sure if you can tell. I'm sure you can tell. I'm certain you can tell just by looking at my feet that these are a little too big. And even just recording this video, my heel kept slightly popping out, and it's not comfortable. Now in terms of comfort, yes and no. For me personally, these are not an all-day sneaker. I can't wear these all day long. They are comfortable to a certain extent. For example, I could just wear these and go shopping or walk around for a few hours, but that's it. I can't wear these all day long. After a few hours, they're gonna start hitting, and it's just not gonna become comfortable for me. But again, nothing an install swap can't fix. If this swoosh was just flipped around and Travis Scott had his name on the sneaker, I think these would have sold out very, very quickly, at an instant. I wouldn't be making this video right now, and you know, resale would have been at least 500, 600. But you know, it's just one of those things. We had the high OG white cements dropping sometime this year, I believe, back in May it was. And I do have a pair of them in my collection. There's also a video on that as well. And that's just very similar to this. It's just you have white leather panels instead of black, and the swoosh is black instead of white. Those, again, those did not do well at all in terms of sales. They are still sitting on a lot of websites at a lot of retailers. You know, they might be dropping on a sale soon, I don't know. I do see them going on sale very soon because obviously they haven't sold out. It might be the same scenario with these ones, the black cements, but I do believe that the black cements will do a little better in terms of sales than the white ones. But again, if you are considering copping these and you have the means, I wouldn't think twice. The leather is fantastic. The quality, the overall craftsmanship, the way it looks, you know, it's beautiful. I wouldn't think twice, man. I would cop these at an instant. You will not regret it, in my opinion. These look a lot better in person, in hand, and on feet than they do on the pictures and videos. I guarantee it, man. I guarantee you that these look better in person. Just holding them in hand, you know, the quality is just very nice. And yeah, it's definitely one I'm going to be keeping myself as well. You know, we don't get that too often, I reckon, especially with the standard Jordan 1 lows. There's been quite a few instances where I had the sneaker delivered to me creased out of the box. It's just one of those things, I guess. But anyways, guys, that's it. That is it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you on the next one.